We're O'Shea Plumbing. We're a family-owned company.
There's myself and Dad, and then we've got a team of 4 other very experienced plumbers.
There's a number of things that make us different than other plumbing companies. We have scheduling software. We don't overbook our plumbers. They have plenty of time.
We really pride ourselves on our quality, our reliability.
Our work is fully guaranteed.
If our other team of plumbers need any assistance, most likely we can hop in the car and get out to them quick smart. The large number of existing clients that keep coming back to us, they appreciate the high quality work that we produce, the personal service. They really come to trust us.
So you know you're getting peace of mind.